I'm lucky to have a job that I love. It's a job that I would do even if they didn't pay me, but I'm glad they do. I work as a pediatric pulmonologist and the Cystic Fibrosis Care Center Director at SUNY Upstate Medical University. I've been caring for kids with cystic fibrosis really since I left medical school after I graduated. The cystic fibrosis community is an incredibly dedicated group of patients, families, and the people who love them who have really put their efforts and their money and everything into research towards a cure. What is especially fun for me is when I meet new babies with CF, I get to tell their parents, very likely in your child's lifetime, that cure is going to be here. So it's an incredible honor to be nominated or even chosen as an Outstanding Eagle Scout because there are so many Outstanding Eagle Scouts. My first reaction was, why me? When I can list 10 other deserving Eagle Scouts that I consider outstanding people. So scouting has been part of my life since I was a Cub Scout. When things were tough during medical school and residency and I felt like I had maybe 20 hours of sleep in a week, I actually pulled back out the Scout law. Not just the trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, and reverent, but the paragraphs underneath them. And I would read those and it recentered me and helped me sort of double down on I'm committed to this because it's in accordance with the Scout law. The core values of scouting have always been an influence in everything I do. One of the things that my dad always said, it was a quote by Louis Pasteur, that chance favors the prepared mind. So even as I was in school, I would think of that as I'm preparing my mind. And that is all part of being prepared. Baden-Powell didn't know be prepared for what. Be prepared for any old thing. But having a prepared mind has allowed me to see things in medicine that others would have missed. And that gives me a chance to be a leader around the world, taking care of some of the youngest people with cystic fibrosis who are benefiting from new medications. So scouting is always there on the great days, on the not so great days. I can fall back on the motto, the oath, the law. All of those things really do help guide me. Even on a horrible day, I will sometimes tell myself a scout is cheerful, and I will put on cheerful and I will go meet the 12th patient even though I'm tired, because they don't need to see me tired. They need to see me cheerful and helpful and ready to take care of them.